Is the world at risk? The answer is yes. Hello, friends. Thanks for joining. Let's look at risk from a different perspective. Let's look at the World Economic Forum's report, which was published in Jan 23 this year. So I have just made a link wherein you can see the complete report. It is around 98 pages, but let's discuss the main points which were striking, and I have three interesting take on it, so do watch till end of the video. The World Economic Forum is a not-for-profit foundation, basically into building synergies between public and private corporations. So they have made this report. Let's look at it. So when we look at the complete report, they have made four parts of it, out of which I have just taken one part of the short term risk that are there. So from like they have highlighted around 30 risks, but we have just taken the top 10 of those. And if we see, there are five risks that are environmental, one that is geopolitical, three that are societal, and one that is technological. So when we discuss about the risk, the major stakeholders here we are considering is government and businesses. So on both fronts, the top two risk are cost of living, and another is natural disasters and extreme weather. So for next 2 years, according to this report, these are the two main uh, risk that we will have. So why are we discussing risk at such a length? The reason being, our investment are inherently risky, and these economic conditions affect our investment. So that is the reason we are just looking at this risk. So if we see the price hike from last 2 years, the price hike is around 9.5% for rich people, and for upper middle class it was 10%, for lower middle class it was 11.5%, and for the poor people or lower income people it was at 16%. So when we discuss about price hike or inflation, we tend to think that it is just linear curve which is there with each strata of spear, but this is not the case. We can see poor people are more affected by this. So this was a striking point that I wanted to discuss. And on this I have three takes on personal front how we can mitigate this. So one is, don't bargain with needy people. So second is, donate at your capacity, and third is systematic investment in plants. So try to plant one tree a year, so this will cover the risk of environment also. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any interesting comments on this, please do write in the comment section.